APKSoft presents retail software for engine oil, alloy rim and tires shops. Here you can go and sell products through price list. And you can also manage the records of old tires against the new tires. Sell products like engine oil through the different speed keys. And sell products through departments. You can receive payments in the shape of cash pay, through credit card and local credit. Pay-in is used for settling account of those customers which are dealing in credits. Here you can check that transaction in the customer ledger from back office software. From payout section you can pay amount to vendors and can write a particular note. And you can view this transaction history in the vendor ledger. You can pay salary to the employees and can manage and monitor from employee ledger in back office software. Here you can also pay for the expenses like food and utility bills and can manage and monitor their transaction history in the expenses ledger. From discount section you can add the discount name and assign it a particular value. You can add different service charges like engine oil change service charges and can assign a particular value. In receipt settings you can add receipt title, tagline, receipt note and logo of your shop. From store settings you can add price tag, select language, do home button settings and can define the return and exchange policy. Here from the back office you can manage the sales of your tire shop from the daily shift. You can manage and monitor the sales in a particular shift. From POS Live section you can view the department's wise sales and can get hourly sales reports. And from live sales section you can view and monitor the live item sales, live receipt and return item statistics. From the purchase invoice section you can get purchase reports of the products that you purchased from vendors. And from inventory section you can manage the inventory of your tire shop. You can add new products and assign them a particular UPC code, product name, select department, add opening stock, select type of sale, add buying price, measurement unit and selling price. From promotion section you can add new promotions and can create different promo groups for the products. From the settings section do different settings like vendor setup, add customers, speed keys setup, add employee, store users, manage tax, manage departments and can integrate your tire shop with e-commerce website by using request e-commerce option. We also provide back office Android mobile app through which you can manage and monitor your business from anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Deploy point of sale software at your tire shop and get 1 month free trial. Thanks for watching this video. Visit our website at www.apksoftinc.com and contact us at 0330 2750 123 and 0331 2750 123.